Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to make a Mad Lib story using Python code. So let's get started. So first, we're going to type in import random as R. You don't need to type in as R because as R just makes the random name like R. So whenever you want to type random, you have to press R. Type in R, just R. And I use that as a shortcut, so I just do it. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. So now we're gonna make nouns, which are equal to a list, and we're gonna make a string because we're gonna type in a word because nouns are verbs. So we're gonna type in a string, and then we're gonna type in a noun. For instance, apple. Oh yeah, let's type in alien from space. And now we are going to type. Try getting at least 3, but at most 5. If you have more, you can type them in. So let's make another one. Say box, bus. Now we have 4, so I'm gonna make 5. See. Fence. Okay, now we're gonna make some adjectives, which are equal to a list. You're gonna type in a word, red. Now we're gonna type in purple. Then say black. Then let's say gray. Then let's say turquoise. Now that's 5. Now we're gonna do some verbs. Verbs, which equal a list. And then we're gonna type in a word. Let's say watching. And then let's say hearing. Let's say painting. And then let's say printing. And then we're gonna coding. And now those are all the things we're gonna need for our Mad Lib story. Now we're gonna do print, and then we're gonna make an F string. You should know about the F string if you go to my coding class, and if you watch my video on variables and user input, then you should also know about F string. So after we make an F string, we're gonna type in the, and then we're gonna I don't really want that. And then we're gonna type in some curly brackets, and then we're gonna type in r dot choice. And if you didn't put as R, then you have to put random dot choice. And so that's why I put R dot choice. I mean R as R to make it short. And now after R dot choice, we're gonna make some parentheses, and then we're gonna type in adjectives because adjectives explain nouns. So yeah. And then we're going to put a noun. We're going to do that, and then we're going to put some nouns in. We're going to put r.choice and then parentheses noun. Okay, so after you did that, you should type in verbs just like that. And then you have to put the string at the end to end the string. And now when you run this is your output. Okay, so yeah, this is your output. Well, it's not going to be exactly like this. It's whenever you run, it's going to be different. So bye.